Hi, I'm Madelief and I'm from the Netherlands, and I'm stayed at Nihal's and his family's house this week here at a little village in the neighborhood of Minamangooda. It is a lovely place here, and it's like 20 minutes from the airport from Colombo. And as you can see, it's a lovely little place in the middle of trees, coconut trees, papaya trees, banana trees as well, and lots of birds you can watch every day. So yeah, it's a quiet and peace surrounding. As you can see, there are also two cats from the neighbors here walking around and keeping your company. She's very cute, and they call them a bit sambal because it's orange here, so that's cute. Let's see. I think I was welcomed very warmly here because yeah, the family is very warm. They make you comfortable to rest. They make enough food for you to not feel hungry every day. So they have lots of food, so curry, potatoes and pumpkin inside. You can help Kusum with cooking, and she will be ready to explain everything about the food for you. Yeah, she's lovely, and Sitara is also open to chat with. To have a chat with her. She is going to high school now and she's studying for the exams. So we had some conversations, and we eat together much. So yeah, it's if you like a quiet and peaceful environment to maybe have a rest after your long flight, then it's a lovely place, and I really loved it and every bit. As a solo traveler, I found it also a bit frightening, not frightening, but like it's also a challenge, and who to trust and who not. But it was totally fine. If you are diving, just go, because Nihal will take you everywhere safely. I felt safe every time during my stay. So I think you don't have to have doubts. Yeah, and what I did, by the way, is go into the rice fields around the corner a lot, to the temple there, also to the market, and have a walk around there in Minamangooda. And tomorrow we're going to Anuradhapura. No, I definitely can't say it still. But we are going there together with the four of us. So I'm very curious, and well, if you like a peaceful environment and have lovely people around you, just come.